Well, hi-ho folks, and welcome back. It is day 2 of Palmer Camp 2018, and today we're going up to Horse Log. Horse Log is where we used to camp as a family way back in the day, and we're going to go back up and we're going to check it out. It's further up the river. It's about 45 minutes back up the river. We're going to do some swimming, some snorkeling, and hopefully check out the old campsite if someone's not camping there. So look forward to more of that coming up.
What's this?
No, yeah, it's all self-contained. We're rating Horse Log today, 1 out of 10.
What did Elena rate it?
I haven't, I decided to go with you first.
Okay, so let's give it a 9, only because of the crap and toilet paper laying around.
Okay, right, yeah, that was pretty bad.
Yeah.
So, all right, excellent. Horse Log rating 1 out of 10, 10 being the best. How would you rate Horse Log today?
I would say 10 out of 10.
Wow, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Warm?
Warm, the water's nice.
Okay. All right, 10 out of 10. Excellent. We've got Elena. Elena, you're, again, Horse Log day 2. What do you think of the horse log? 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. I think today was a 10.
A 10?
Was
Wow.
Really
Wow.
nice day, although we are staying a little too long.
Oh, so it's 9.5
So-
maybe?
Yeah.
You
9.
didn't count points off for the human crap and toilet paper like I did?
Oh, I totally forgot about that because it was such a wonderful
Drops
time
it down to
down there.
8.5. Okay.